Hey you, this is Jasim from CodeBand, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to take CMD from any folder in your PC. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So without any further, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so if I have to take this to do files folder, the normal way of doing it, I'll first show you the normal way, then I'll show you the easiest way. So the normal way is I'll just take a CMD, and in here what I'll do is I'll change my directory to desktop, and then slash that to do files, that folder. So that will get me into that directory, but you can do it in a very easy manner. Just take in that to do files directory, and in here in the address bar just type in CMD, and boom, you get that in the same directory. Now you don't have to manually take CMD and change the directory. So that's the easiest way of taking CMD from any folder. This is applicable to any folder, any file, no issues with that. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up button, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So we'll see you in the next one.